these are tough times for our republic and the rule of law when it comes to our elections and such. I mean, if they're telling you, if you oppose or raise questions about an election, we're going to put you in jail. You know, the Benny Johnson issue reminded me of the other corruption that popped up. There's a kind of a ha-ha but outrageous corruption story that popped up again with Fani Willis, the Fulton County Democrat politician trying to jail Trump for exercising his rights as a president and a citizen to contest an election. She showed up at an incident with her friend, again, Mr. Wade. And I was on Benny Johnson's show talking about it, and I thought you'd enjoy the discussion. Let's go to that.
In closing here, Tom, and I know that you've come on many times to quite hilariously and entertainingly talk about one of your favorite people on the planet, which is Big Fani Willis and Nathan's Hot Dog. You're the one who said that they obviously she needs to be disbarred and potentially criminally investigated in Georgia. Her daughter was arrested, and in the cop body cam footage, there's this funny Easter egg. I think we can pop it up as a play beside here of Nathan Wade. So apparently they're still like hanging out. They told the court that their relationship is over, and here they are like in plain clothes, like going on vacation together. What's going on here, Tom?
Oh, come on, Benny. It's her lawyer. It's purely a legal relationship. There was a legal crisis, and out of every criminal defense lawyer in the entire Atlanta metro area, the elected district attorney of the most populous county could only think of one man to call.
Yes, and he's in there in a t-shirt. He's there in a t-shirt. So you know, it's cool.
Well, I'm just glad to see that the romance continues, despite the pressure and the world being against them.
Well, and as I went on to say, it does, to be more serious, it does show the kind of contempt for the public, the rule of law, and the whole court process that they're still hanging out together, doesn't it? And so that case with Trump, I mean, that's all the way up in the appeals. There's significant issues about whether or not she can still remain on the case. So hopefully that case eventually goes away without much extra time and expense and attention from even President Trump. But there are other Americans caught up in this, innocents, who are only caught up in it because they were on the wrong side of the divide politically and ideologically. I mean, these are tough times for our republic and the rule of law when it comes to our elections and such. I mean, if they're telling you, if you oppose or raise questions about an election, we're going to put you in jail. And so, you know, we're talking about the victory Trump had in New York. You know, he's still being harassed here in D.C. over his willingness to contest an election. And he's being harassed still down in Fulton County, even though it's all on appeal. It looks like that may eventually go away. And other Americans have been harassed in other states by left-wing Democratic Party prosecutors and officials and activists. So they know what they're doing. It's not only retaliation for 2020, but they're looking forward to 2024, and they're saying, if you contest 2024, we're going to put you in jail. That's essentially what they're saying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video down below.